We create a brand new thermal camera with high performance for cell phone technicians, SuperCam. It is designed for precise repairing and wide range of usage. Compared to previous version, SuperCam has increased many functions. Central to the SuperCam design, infrared camera and visible light camera. These two cameras can locate malfunction points on motherboard swiftly and precisely. We keep the manual focus function for absolute flexibility and uncompromising utility. When we learned the professional technician's demand, we adapted metal composite material to ensure the product has better durability. Latest model AI processor installed, available to detect temperature variation less than 2% within seconds, able to withstand long-time operation with great stability. The install and install process for the product are also essential. That's why we designed the assembly module. Between PCB and SuperCam, we have created a coexist model of practicality and professionalism. SuperCam is becoming the most powerful diagnostic device for professional repair technicians.